Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. I've got another tech review. This time, I found this, a Polaroid camera. Polaroid point-and-shoot camera, 20 megapixel, at Walmart. And it was on clearance for $15. They only had like a 2 or 3 left, so I just bought one. So, I will let you know what I've experienced so far after having it for about a week or two. Stay tuned to the intro. Well, here's what it comes with. The camera itself, with a 2.7-inch screen, of course the power button, but it also comes with a battery, which I've already installed. Let me take it out and show you. It's a lithium-ion battery. Right here. It's a lithium-ion battery, about 650 milliamp hours. So, and it also comes with a mini to USB, not micro USB, but mini USB. And mini USB is actually more durable than micro USB. One thing it does not come with is a micro SD card. It has a slot here for it, but you have to provide your own micro SD card. I would recommend SanDisk. You probably need about at least 8 gigs, class 10 preferably, but class 4 or higher is required. So if you don't know what micro SD cards and micro SD cards have different classes. So this one allows for class 4 or above. So try to get class 10, which is the highest, the latest class right now. And it really, class 10 is more like faster speed than class 4. Micro SD card. Bet you didn't know that. Okay, so you also have the power button, the shutter button, a microphone, which I will put in a video of that's taken directly from this. And then you've got the screen. You've got mode, which you can do video at 1080p. Yeah, video at 1080p is the highest quality. Now, I did have an micro SD card that's 8 gig, class 4. It really wasn't that good. But I did get to record something from it. But my coworker got me a 16 gig that he doesn't use anymore, so I'm using that one for now. Thanks, Jared. And the other one that I had, the problem was it would only record a few seconds at a time with this camera. However, it was the problem with the SD card and not with the camera. The SD card itself was the problem. So anyway, you have a flash, wide and telephoto. You've got mode, which you can do stills or video, and you can also see what you did. You've got an enter button, a flash, delete button, all these different other modes like portrait mode, daylight mode, cloudy mode, and the sort. And it's 20 megapixels, 10x zoom. This is the by the way, this is the Polaroid i20x29. I saw this at Walmart on clearance for $15. And of course, there's a little place where you can put it on a tripod. Oh, and here is the mini SD card. Well, no, the mini USB port that you can charge. It because the battery is rechargeable. Lithium-ion battery is rechargeable. Let me turn it on. There you go. Has autofocus. That's for the telephoto and tap mode, and you've got video. I will put in capture at this point 5 minutes. I would say about 6 minutes. Well, this is my office. This is where I work, basically at a research facility, recording video. Here's the recording studio, right here, and you don't need, it's flickering, I know, but this is the recording studio, and the classroom is right out there. It's a full-fledged classroom. Here's all the stuff that's stored in there, and that's it. After you've seen the footage, overall, the camera works really well for my needs. Other than the SD card incident, it's a little bit slow to react. So I think that's probably why it's on clearance. It's a little slow to react, a little bit slow, but it's very usable. It's still very usable, especially at this lower price. And of course, this here and this here looks like the internal microphone. So if you see one of these cameras at Walmart for $15, by all means purchase it. And then you just need to make sure you purchase a micro SD card if you don't already have a Class 10 micro SD card. So that's it for another video. If you have any other questions, down below. Just link it there. It'll also do some like brightness correction. And thanks for watching. By the way, it also has a self-timer and burst mode as well. And you can do date stamp. The screen is not a touch screen, by the way. Other than that, that's all I have for this video. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye!